Hello, folks. Franklin Media TV here. Before I start with the article, just want to remind you to hit that subscribe button for the latest in breaking news. Wanted to shift gears a little bit and go into medicine, if I could, for tonight, and just talk about a big announcement on the advancement in depression medicine. So yeah, apparently the first big depression advance since PROZAC is nearing FDA approval. So anyone that's suffering from bouts of depression might have another option under their belt here shortly. And the article goes on to state that the U.S. FDA is on the brink of approving a breakthrough drug that could upend the way severe depression is treated. So who's making this drug? Johnson and Johnson, and it's called esketamine, and it's a close chemical cousin of the anesthetic ketamine, which is I believe it's a cat tranquilizer. And it just cleared a major hurdle Tuesday when a panel of outside experts recommended that the FDA approve the treatment. So, yeah, currently, right now, you have drugs like Prozac and other SSRIs, and they take weeks to work, and sometimes they don't help patients at all. And so this esketamine could mark a significant shift in depression therapy. Is it's very fast acting, uh, takes only seconds, and it's really being touted as a game changer for the way that we may treat depression in the near future. So, there's some mild side effects. Some patients that took esketamine experienced some dissociation, out of body experience, and this usually typically crops up within an hour of treatment, and it would be monitored in an office setting. And there's been some patients experiencing some modest spikes in blood pressure, but really that's about it. And this esketamine was developed by Johnson & Johnson after a group of researchers discovered that ketamine, an off-patient drug, has surprisingly rapid antidepressant effects. And some of this research dates back to the 1990s. And Johnson Johnson, they plan to call the drug Spravato. So it's looking interesting here. That this could be a big thing if you're suffering from depression. I know it could be a terrible thing. Some people don't want to get out of bed. I'm hearing some accounts of people that are taking it now, and they're describing it as a miracle drug. So if this gets approved, J&J shares could jump significantly. This is being heralded as the next big thing in antidepressants. Just want to give you guys an update on this. Hope everything's okay on your end, and we'll talk to you soon.